Welcome Bantwana, Babu Buyil. Tuze, none other. Alright, so page 189, the platinum. The examples there, I'm just going to explain them. I know the others have explained, so I'm just going to go quickly to it. We've got one, the center is at the origin and passing through -5 and 7. It will look something like this when I draw it. And then so that this is with the center or origin, these are the points. So if I join the points, that's the radius, because I know anywhere when I can join the circumference as radius. So this is x and y. So I'll use Pythagoras. This is opposite 90, that's hypotenuse. So Pythagoras would be r squared is x squared plus y squared, which is Pythagoras. I know it almost looks like the equation of the circle, but remember, this is Pythagoras. Substituting that, we're going to get this. Leave it at r squared so that when you find the equation of the circle, you'll say x squared plus y squared is r squared. That's the equation of the circle at origin. Substitute your r squared, which is the one we got here. And that's it. You're done with the equation of the circle for this one. Number 2, the center is this and radius is this. So obvious center means that's A, that's our B. So it will look something like this center there, not at the origin. So we can substitute our A here. Our A is, so this negative times this negative would be a plus. And then this negative times this positive is a negative. So we substitute our radius, but it must be squared. So this is our equation square, that's 49. That's that one. Also, we've covered this one. Okay, then this one for diameter. Diameter AB, where A is this and B. So I've called this x1, y1, x2, y2, because if I'm going to draw this, that's A, that's B. It looks going to look something like this, not really like this. And then if I were to go for that, what will happen is that's A, that's B. So if I let the center be D, obvious center will be somewhere in the middle here. So what would that do? It means that I've created a center of the circle. So which means distance DA is equal to DBY, because these are radi. So D is my midpoint then, since this is equal to that. So if that's the midpoint, we can use our midpoint formula. X middle point, Y middle point, substitute our x1, x2 there. You want to get the center to be 0 and 3. So 0 and 3, we know it's our center, which we saw here. That's our center here. That's my A, that's my B. So what is the one thing that's left? Obviously, I have to find the radius. So if I know the diameter, the radius will be obviously diameter divided by 2, because we know from here to here it's diameter, from here to here it's radius, from here to radius. So radius is half of a diameter. That's common knowledge. So we can use the coordinates of A and B to find the distance of AB, our diameter. AB, using distance formula, we're going to get 2 root 53. That's AB, which is our diameter there. So if I can take the diameter AB divided by 2, which is that, divided by 2, I'm going to get this as my R. So I got everything I need now. So I know my A is 0 there, put the 0 there. And then my B, 3 there, going to put 3, because negative times positive is still negative. And then put the R square that, you're going to get 53. So basically that becomes our equation of this circle, x squared plus y minus 3 squared 53. So that's all. So when you have a diameter, find the center, because it will be a middle point. Then from the center, you can find the radius using the diameter. Thank you. Peace out.